Ahoy, shipmates! Got a special surprise today. It's the Yan Ming Wonderland. But you can't quite see her because she's behind a cruise ship. No, only joking. We're here for the Carnival breeze. I took this as this was probably one of the best moments of the evening. Unfortunately, I thought it was going to be a wonderful evening here in the port of Southampton, but the clouds just upset what could have been a spectacular sunset. But nonetheless, I shall persevere. When I first arrived, it was reasonably warm, but in a short space of time, the weather has turned. The sun's gone, the warmth has gone, the wind has picked up, and it's all made things rather tricky, which is unfortunate. The port of Southampton is rather empty at the moment. Most of the ships seem to have left on Friday to drop anchor in Weymouth Bay or disappear off. This is the first time that we've seen the Carnival breeze, operated by Carnival Corporation, surprisingly, and ported in Panama. She arrived, I think it was Saturday, and she's now leaving off to Cadiz. On board the Carnival breeze are 1,061 crew and 7 passengers. I kind of like those odds. I bet you get good service. I think the Carnival breeze is silhouetting rather nicely against the setting sun there, the Y-shaped funnel. It's very prominent, even if she's getting in the way of a lovely container ship. She's up at the swing ground at the moment, swinging around. Unfortunately, I ran out of battery there, so unfortunately we missed that. Always a problem here. It takes a long time for them to swing around. But anyway, she's coming towards us now. And the ship you see on the right is the Silver Spirit. The Carnival breeze cost $740 million. Launched in September 2011. I feel like she's telling me to get out of the way, so I shall get out of the way. I don't want to be crashed into. She's a Dream class ship. Yes, I've moved away. Stop hooting. Weighing in at 130,000 gross tons. Length of 306 metres. Beam of 37. 15 decks in total. Speed is 22.5 knots. 41.7 for you continental types, and 25.9 miles an hour in good old Imperial. Capacity is 3,690 passengers with a crew of 1,386. So she almost has a full complement of crew, but a woefully inadequate amount of passengers. A very curious design I'm noticing here on the bow of the Breeze. The bridge appears to be almost halfway up the ship, and the passengers' cabins appear to go right the way down to almost the bow. The Carnival Breeze was the third and last of the Dream Class ships. At the time of their construction, they were the largest passenger ships built by the Fincantieri shipyard. The ship's godmother, Tracy Wilson Morning, is a motivational speaker and founder of the Honeyshine Girls Empowerment Charity. In 2012, she sailed out of Barcelona, Spain and Venice, Italy, on Mediterranean cruises. After that, she moved to Miami, Florida, for Caribbean and Bahamas. In 2016, she moved to Galveston, Texas. She's currently homeported in Port Canaveral after moving from Galveston in 2018, and she continues to cruise the Caribbean. You could hear a number of the shipmates on board waving and whistling. There we go, I've zoomed in slightly there, you can see the crew on board. And what looks like some fantastic water park with slides and pools and tubes. Definitely want to be in the sunny Caribbean to enjoy those water features. It has been reported that a 29-year-old Hungarian crew member was found dead in his cabin, reportedly due to suicide. He was an assistant shore excursion manager. A crew member blamed depression due to long periods of isolation aboard the ship. A Carnival Breeze has come to Southampton to repatriate its European crew members. There certainly are many reports of crew becoming quite distraught, being locked in their cabins aboard ships with nothing to do. Well, it's certainly a shame that we missed that fantastic light opportunity with the sun going behind the clouds as she set. As you can see now in the background, the port of Southampton is looking rather empty. My suspicion is that the weekend charges were too expensive for many of the ships. You can see the Britannia has left, and the Queen Victoria has left, and the Azura has left. The only thing we have in port at the moment is the sister ship to the Silver Spirit that we saw earlier, the Silver Cloud, which should just be coming into view shortly. I'll see if I can get a shot in here. It's not as good as I was hoping. But, you know, you have to go and take these pictures, and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. It's all in the surprise. Well, I don't have any pictures of the Carnival breeze, so I'll happily take that one. You can see the red kestrel and red falcon, the red funnel cross Solent ships, and now you can see the Silver Cloud in the background. Well, I'm afraid, shipmates, that wasn't quite as interesting as I hoped it was going to be. I was all set for a marvellous photo session, but Mother Nature had other ideas. It's time to say farewell to the Carnival breeze as she steams off to Cadiz. I'm guessing to repatriate some crew members. There are more exciting movements coming up next week. I hope to be able to film as many as I can. Perhaps the conditions will be better for some photos. I've just sped up this last bit of footage as she leaves the port of Southampton. Let's hope for slightly better conditions next time, shipmates. My word, this chap's certainly moving at a rate of knots. Look at this. Doesn't he know there's a 6-knot speed limit here in the port of Southampton? Naughty boy. Until next time, shipmates.